Hello, chapter leaders. This is AJ Christensen, your professional and student chapters committee chair with the November newsletter announcements. The big thing in November is that we're all getting ready for SIGGRAPH Asia at the beginning of next month. And part of that will include a virtual chapter leaders workshop that is scheduled at a time that's convenient for our Asian and Australian chapters. So if you are able to attend that, we really highly recommend that you do, partially just to meet people and partially to get prepared for SIGGRAPH Asia. For those of you who aren't going to SIGGRAPH Asia, you're probably going into your sort of final events of the year, getting ready to sort of celebrate and shut down until January. That is a good opportunity to remind everyone that the Chapters Committee is here to help with any of your needs in running chapter events. We're always happy to help secure speakers. We're happy to share a Zoom account. We have lots of technical expertise for building websites and handling any of your IT concerns. So please reach out if we can ever help you with anything. And good luck, and we'll be talking to you soon.